Oh yeah, that just makes the shaded area so much better. Yeah, especially with all, we got room over here. We do? Yeah. Right here on the end where you said you can hang them on those bars. No, leave some on so where they don't bonk their head. And that's it on those.
Is that all the racks?
Is that all the racks?
Was that it, Rod?
No.
I see another basket.
Bring it on.
Right, where you go? Where you go?